Hey, my friends, welcome to the live stream. So, same as always, we'll scan through all the instruments and then we'll prepare for market to be open. Okay, today what happened to my computer? Why is it so laggy again? Okay, it's okay. I'll scan through everything and then let's take a look. What do we have? Any stocks to buy today? Okay, Visa is not bad. It's actually performing quite well. MRK is good as well. CRM, not too sure what CRM is doing, so I have to be a little bit more careful for CRM. Okay, DHR looks like it's not bad. Let's see, what else do we get? BA nothing went off too much. Also went off a little bit too. No, is not done yet. BNTX not done. What can we trade today? Moderna, super awesome, going a lot. UAL flying already. Affirm. How about Upstart? Upstart. Okay, going up a lot. CCL. Is there any opportunity for CCL? Let's see. CCL, like, not bad, huh? This trade. Possible for a swing trade on CCL. Okay, let's set alarm for CCL first. How about LMND? Nothing here. Path, nothing. Sophie. Sophie, nothing. Snow, also nothing here. Okay, Marvel broke out of the trend line already. Yeah, Marvel definitely have to be a little bit more careful. What else do I get? Zoom, nothing. CPNG, also nothing. ADP, let's take a look. Okay, not something that I like. So guys, hello, welcome to the live stream. TTD is performing quite well, not bad. How about Uber? Let's see Uber. Okay. Airbnb, nothing. Okay, let's go down to the end of my watch list and then let's see whether is there any trade or not. SRM, no. CoreWeave, definitely not ready. BBAI, also not ready. What else do we get today? BBAI, huh? I think pulling back a little bit, huh? This one is normal, But as of right now, I don't think it's ready. Doesn't look like it's ready to me. So BBAI, I will definitely wait for a little while, okay? Then after that, we'll decide, whether to take the trade or not. Yeah, after I think Cyberpunk, you're the one who recommended BBAI, right? Yeah, so I'm also looking at it every day and just waiting for opportunity. MVS tier. Where do you buy BBAI? At what price? Are you in good profit? If in good profit, it's fine, right? 7 plus, 7 plus. Okay lah, not too bad, not too bad, okay? I do think that we need to wait for a little bit before the correction will be done. Yeah, you definitely need a correction, like at least minimally, if you look left to your chart, minimally maybe something like this, you know, that lasted for about 2 days. A small one, maybe like 2 days to 1 week or something, Yeah, both lasted for 2 days around there. Hey, random, I really not sure, but then so far, quite a good sign. I seriously, guys, today I tell you, I fixed the restriction thing until I'm so tired, I fixed it from morning 10 a.m. All the way until this evening. I didn't do anything, for the website, for the course and everything. I fixed, I want to go crazy already. Yeah, I go and read through the whole forum and everything. They say that normally the moment you hit about 40 to 50 viewers at one time, right, you will get somehow like shadow ban. Then some of them they get banned for 1 week, some of them about 1 month, some of them about 2 months. Then they got so frustrated. Hopefully, but right now it's really looking not bad. Just now when I was testing it about the 5 minutes to 7 minutes range, right, I will get restricted for nothing. Yeah, I got some issues with TikTok. Whenever I live stream about 5 minutes to 7 minutes range, it starts to send me some restriction. Tell me my videos, right, no longer searchable by other people. And then when I go live stream and everything, nobody will be notified. After that, that's why yesterday there was only like 10 viewers only. Hopefully, I also hope I can become popular, my friend. Hello, Louis. Hello, Random. Nice to see you guys, Yeah, but so far until now still okay. But I wrote, a lot of feedback to TikTok already. I went to each of my live stream that I started. I went to feedback, ask them what happened, I even show myself like a portrait, a full portrait of my video camera, just streaming that, no charts, no nothing, no background, just my video camera. After that, I still did get that restriction. Say that it is not original content. I was thinking like, not original content, seriously? That I tried many ways, go and adjust this and that. After that, I give up already. I totally give up. I just change back to whatever I used to do. Like right now, you can see my face, right? You can see my face is round, right? Just now, I was doing the full portrait version. Also get banned. My God. When TikTok tell me it's actually unoriginal content. I was like, I show my whole body and face and still unoriginal. I got nothing to say anymore. Totally give up. Yeah, I hopefully not shadow ban. A lot of people complain they get shadow ban for about 1 week to about 2 months. Wow, 2 months is a long time. What stock can buy now? I'm actually still scanning through my chart though. I was looking at those China stocks. Why the rest of the China stocks they are doing so well? Only Baba and Baidu is not so well. But then Futu, wow, you look at Futu, feel to the moon, man. Seriously, oh my God. TCOM also going up like crazy. But the few China stocks is not moving. So guys, just pray hard the restriction is lifted already, but so far so good. Later on we see. Yes, Baba. I also saw someone downgraded their rating. Not their rating, their forecasted price. Yes. But so far, SPY still quite strong though. So no choice. Sometimes Baba, I think 2 or 3 consecutive loss already. Every single time. I think it has bottom. I go and try a small trade. Oh my God! Okay, it went out the other direction. But AMD is good, AMD, wow, fantastic this trade. Seriously, damn good. There, what else do we get? Apple. I'm still looking though. Today, okay, I have one which is actually CCL. I'm looking at CCL. Uh, but doesn't looks like it's ready though. Let me log in my account first. Let's see. Okay, today performance not too bad, not too bad. Amazon also not bad. Meta also looks good. Google looking good as well. Microsoft currently still not not too bad. After Netflix, okay, Adobe still very very weak. Until right now, it's still not going up. AMAT, how about AMAT? AMAT is strong. Yeah, gone liao. QCOM, how about QCOM? Okay, QCOM, those that are interested, right? Just be a little bit more careful for QCOM. This part is a little bit scary though. Too much trend line for QCOM. Did I cut through anything? Nope, this one looks good. Hello, Roderick. Hello, my friends. Nice to see you guys coming. All my die-hard fans. Oh, just now, Roderick, you said JPM, right? Maybe we can take a look at JPM. I don't know where is it on my watch list. I'll just do a search. JPM, like, okay, not bad, huh? Coming to the trend line soon, very soon. Yeah, maybe we can set the alarm for JPM on the trend line. Roderick, why you TP so fast? Okay, AMD not bad, really. AMD is good, Okay lah, TP a bit, secure a bit of profit. Okay, then let the rest run for higher profits. Okay. Yes, 1:2 already. Correct. You can TP some. Okay, follow the rule is also a good thing. Sometimes I will wait, because normally, right, I like to look at SPY. So you can see SPY, although it broke out of the trend line, but it doesn't, it feels a bit like, we are going to start the larger pullback and everything. But I think maybe possible one more leg. Then after that, we might, really start the larger correction. But then no matter how, right, if you were to follow the plan, 1:2, you take out some partial profit, then you let the rest of them run, it's still okay. It will still turn out to be a good trade. Yes, it's not a really hard rule, but then if you are still very very new, it's better to follow them because you still do understand. Certain times in the market can be quite volatile, and then sometimes it can be a little bit more stable, things like that. But for now, things are really really stable. You see, today we got a new news. You all know, right? Today Donald Trump announced a new tariff again. Yeah, but then you look at the market reaction is almost there already, huh? Like no reaction at all. Where was it? Just now I saw the news. Yep, so this part, you see, today is Iraq, don't know what this country, Brunei, Philippines and everything. So when he announced all that, partly also because, it's much more lesser than what was being mentioned during the sweeping tariff period. That's why I think the market, already got used to what Donald Trump, trying to do and everything. That's why the reaction is not so drastic. Yeah, sometimes I wait until 1:3, 1:4, then I will take some partial profit. But of course, I also monitor the momentum of the stock. So for example, AMD right now is looks like it still can go up a little bit. Maybe sometimes I will wait for about 1 hour after 1 hour after the market open, then I decide whether I want to book some or not. So far, it's really not bad. The next resistance maybe about 146.5 around there, or 146. Meta spike up a bit, but then coming down again. Google also coming down a little. For SPY, not yet. Okay, I will only readjust the trend line when SPY comes and break this high. When SPY break this high, right, I will withdraw my trend line. Because as of right now, there's no confirmation though. Maybe this is your correction. After that, it will start to go down already. So I need to break this high first. Usually, I wait until it break the previous high, then I will shift it. Okay, if you mean by drawing one over here, right, this one is more like you try to secure profit fast, but then usually I don't draw on such a small one. If I want to withdraw, right, I will draw, I think maybe something like that. No, I don't think I will draw here. This one doesn't look good. Something more like this. But for this trend line, I think that is not the best one because it's quite steep. Then after that, I will wait. I will wait for more price action before I withdraw this. Okay. So for now, I can't ship it yet. Okay, Roderick. Okay, can. Hello, Raymond. Nice to see you again. Today, what do we get? I want to see what do we have. Okay, Palantir, good. So Roderick, you asked me why I took the Palantir trade, right? It's really something that I don't normally take. I didn't follow my trading plan, but it's just because of this part. It looks like this part, That's why I took the trade. It's a more of a high risk trade, but so far it's quite rewarding. Not bad. Okay. Okay, UNH. Ken, let's go to UNH. UNH, I think more or less quite dangerous. A little bit dangerous, I think. UNH. Wait. UNH, right now we are on the 4-hour chart, So be a little bit more careful. I do think that UNH can come here around this area. Maybe 279-280 area before maybe one more leg going up. Okay, so just be a little bit careful for UNH. I still think that this leg going up, right, will actually come to this 385 area. BBAI definitely not ready. BBAI, I think there will be some consolidation here. Okay. There will be some consolidation in this area. Before, I think we'll see some more consolidation before the upside for BBAI. Okay, guys, I also went to forum and read. You help me to like my live stream, you share my live stream and everything. I cannot say thank you. I say thank you also will get banned. I was like, really? You know why or not? They think that you are asking your viewers and everything to help you to do all these things. Now make me very scared. Like whatever I say, I need to control. Okay, CRM. CRM, if here cannot hold, this area if cannot hold, just be prepared. CRM possible can go all the way down to about 245 around there, around 245. I think so. Okay, but guys, I appreciate what you do. Thank you. Okay. So we go back to SPY. I want to see SPY. SPY. Okay lah. So far so good, huh? So really, so far so good. Not not having a huge reaction or anything. AMD also good. Nvidia. Okay, slight pullback, pretty normal. Went up quite a lot. Amazon. Can't really tell whether, this part is ready or not. Okay, we'll need to wait for a while. Okay, Meta coming down a little bit. Today I think I only have CCL though. So I think CCL. Just now I was looking at it. Yeah, maybe coming for the breakout soon. W Wednesday. What thing Wednesday? Random. The comment get eaten up again. Oh, the stock okay, there's one stock called W Day or Work Day. What? I thought you say Wednesday. I was thinking about what Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. This stock is a little bit choppy. Let me see this part. Okay, you are in somehow like a triangle. But then I don't know whether there's any confirmation of a triangle or not. Yeah, but no matter how you are in this range, then even in the 4 hours, right? I think likely this stock will come all the way to the trend line area before it shows some sign of rejection or some sign of like going up. But over here, I don't have a trade setup. Yeah, this one looks like something, earlier on maybe you can short, but I don't think you will get any opportunity to short also because you have a gap down. After this gap down, any news for this stock or not? Oh, underweight. They cut from 255 to 235. Yeah, something like Baba, Suddenly got, they cut their forecasted price. So for this stock, I will wait for a little bit. Currently, no opportunity. Now my live stream like restart already, like back to the first few weeks when I started live streaming. No wonder I look at Forex. So many people they are so mad at this issue. Okay, MRK is not bad. MRK. Okay, not bad, not bad. How about Visa? Visa is a very slow climb, really slow climb. Just hopefully, just hope that Visa is a slow climb and then suddenly it just fire off. If this happen, congratulations, our Visa will make very, very good profit. Shopify, nothing. Disney, also nothing. Crowd. Today, like, I can't find any setups except for CCL. Meta coming down a bit. Okay, JPM. Let's see. JPM pretty close to the trend line. Yeah, for JPM, I think no rush. Can wait for a little bit more. Yeah, definitely I think can wait for a bit more before we decide want to buy or not. GNJ. GNJ, let's see. This one looks not bad. Not bad. Yeah, if you don't have any trade, can try this. But you need to know, Johnson & Johnson move very, very slow, This stock, if you don't mind, can buy. It's really not bad. Yep, guys, over here, whoever don't have a setup, looks like it's breaking out soon. But this stock looks like every time when it breaks out, it just suddenly fire off though. I think so. Yeah, you will just suddenly get a huge candle or something like that. Let me see. It's quite common for this type of industrial. The candle that always break out suddenly have a huge spike. So if you want, you can set the what buy stop or something. I still got margin. I think I have Let me see if I got margin, something to consider. Okay, a little bit more. Can. Looks good. What structure is this? This one just look like a bull flag, really looks like a bull flag. And looks like it's going to break out already. But there's no volume for this breakout, So just be a little bit more careful for that part. Yeah, maybe you will see something like this, here. Louis, okay. I realized yesterday when I went in, right, because I so used to clicking on my own account that I don't even read all the prompt and everything. Then I just realized yesterday I can't buy that stock. Okay. Then after that, I went to ask Interactive Broker. Interactive Broker told me that only selected OTC stocks, right, can be traded. Only selected one. So even when I asked Momo, right, Momo also told me the same thing. I think they will vet through the stock first to see whether it's safe or not. If it's still okay, right, they will allow you to trade. Yeah, then you cannot buy. You need to go and find some broker that allows you to trade that instrument. Yeah, because normally when I click my order, I just next. Then sometimes it prompts something I don't even read. I just click on next, and then I thought I bought already. Then I just realized I didn't buy. Yeah, because no matter how MAS is still regulating them, right? So they cannot have too much this type of high risk stuff. If they have too much, a lot of people maybe lose the money or something. They go and complain that broker, then that broker will get into issue some problem with MAS. So if you want to trade those OTC stocks, need to find some other broker that support that instrument. Then when I call in, they also said that most of the time, right, those penny stocks needs to minimally be listed in NASDAQ or something, then it can be traded. Normally, those that are not listed in NASDAQ cannot be traded. Yeah, that kind of stocks when you buy, right, is the moment you enter, you need to tell yourself you don't mind to lose every single cent. Because you don't know what will happen to the stock. Maybe someday it just suddenly go bankrupt and everything. Then the company gets liquidated. After that, your stock drops to maybe around 0 or something. I was thinking, why got double voice? Then I forgot I was watching your live. Oh, you're looking at the video, is it? Okay, roll the rate. I can tell you today really nothing much. Based on what I see, there's not much of a movement. Okay, like You can see right now market open already. We have already opened for about 15 minutes. And you look at this 15 minutes, we can drop down to the 5 minutes. We are basically at the same area for market open. So market open at this candle, okay? This candle, and we are exactly at the same area. There's really no movement. I haven't, but then Palantir, if you want, can move already. Palantir definitely can move somewhere better. Let me see, okay, Palantir, you definitely need to give it a little bit of room to breathe. Palantir got this tendency, suddenly like, a very fast drop, then after that it starts to go again. Like one candle, that kind. So you need to give it a bit of room, just move to break even. Because I trade Palantir quite a lot and I noticed Palantir like to do this type of funny thing, okay? This is one of it. Let me show you this one. See, like after you break out already, you can only move to break even. If not, you'll see something like that, Suddenly just drop, then after that it starts to rally again. Then where else? Something like over here also, you can see. Break out already, what you do? Suddenly drop, then after it starts to move again. Palantir got this tendency. This one, another one. See, break out already, what it does? It drop again, and then suddenly move. A little bit like Amazon. Amazon also has this type of tendency. It likes to, do something like that. Yes. The quick job is to scare you for a while. They go okay, like in smart money concepts, they call it the liquidity sweep area, because somehow why suddenly okay like MRK, okay. I entered MRK, it's still around my entry level, so I think it's fine. MRK, I will leave it. I like it. Wow, AMD. AMD, is it good? Okay lah, not bad. Coming back a little is fine. If you are trying to catch a larger trade, you need to wait for a little bit. Have Meta just ring, okay? Meta 100% coming down. It's pulling back a little bit for Meta. Yeah, Meta, if really no choice, I will take the break even for Meta. Because possible, we might go into a larger consolidation soon. Yeah, same for SPY also. SPY, not too sure whether this is the part where it will start that, big consolidation or not. Let me look again. It's quite possible though, based on the structure, how it's actually developing. Let me see. Yeah, it's really quite possible. Is SMCI a good buy now? Okay, SMCI, the very, very last time I heard from someone from my live stream, says that SMCI haven't even filed for their, their yearly financial statements and everything. So it might still be quite a dangerous stock. You need to go and check on that news. Okay, wait, there's one news over here. Underperform rating. Okay, someone just, reduce the rating for SMCI. Yes, Cyberpunk, you can use Perplexity lah. Perplexity, we go and ask. I'm not sure whether they done or not, but we can ask. Yeah, usually when there's some, high risk thing or something like that, right, I will tend to avoid. Oh yeah, I remember the SMCI already regained compliance, that's why they never get delisted. But how come that guy on live stream, he tell me that SMCI have not filed for it. I was like, yeah, sometimes, if people give me information, I never check. I just blindly believe them also. So this is what happened. Yeah, as long as, they have already filed, there's no risk of delisting, you should be fine. Because when you see some financial risk and everything, the thing that you're scared of is because once it's get delisted, it will be traded over the counter. It will be traded over the counter. And recently I just make a call in only. Yesterday I just make a call in and asked my broker, and they told me, right, uh not every broker allows you to trade stocks that are traded over the counter. So imagine with that, Momo don't allow you to do so. IBKR cannot do so. And if SMCI were to get delisted, likely when you go into the over counter, right, you're going to be very, very difficult to get out already. That's why at that point of time, I didn't trade SMCI because I'm so scared, they keep dragging and everything. Really got the risk of getting delisted. And if you look at SMCI history, they got delisted once, and after that once, right, I think they took about 3 years or something before it went back into Nasdaq. We can ask, delisted, and how long did it last? That your stock won't disappear or anything, but then okay, this period, August 2018 to January 2020, so about how many years? 1 year, 3 months or something. They actually get delisted before SMCI. So if you just read this part. So imagine that 1 year, 3 months, most likely you're just going to hold on to the stock, and then likely the stock will tank even further, then you won't be able to exit it so easily. That's why I tend to avoid stocks like that. Wow, I seriously got no setup today. Okay, guys, I am actually not bad, I'm actually quite happy. The restriction is not there already. Maybe from now on, I need to be a little bit more mindful on what I say. Not too sure whether is it because I said something wrong or TikTok just flagged me for something. But so far so good, Just now the whole morning to evening I was testing it. Every 5 to 7 minutes after I started the live stream, I get restricted. But so far we are 39 minutes in and nothing happened. Okay, Tesla going up a little bit. But for now, I still got no confidence to take Tesla, okay? Yeah, so today I'm actually a bit drained already, Yes, DAL got earnings. DAL went up, and then after that, the what, UAL also went up. AMPX, AMPX. Yeah, quite wasted, We didn't actually get into DAL, but even when we get into DAL, I don't think I will hold through earnings. It can be quite scary. TP price is around there already, though your very, very first resistance is there already. It just hit your first resistance at $7. Okay, then you have to see whether it can continue to go up or not. Yeah, usually after so many gaps, it can be quite overbought, and likely there will be some pullback. I think so, at least a minimally some pullback before it can go even higher. AMPX, what stock is this though? Okay, IPO quite a long time ago, about 3 years now. Yeah, $7 is the resistance, so just keep a lookout to see whether it consolidate and go even higher. I think it hit, right? Oh, almost hitting the $7. You never track JPM. What happened? JPM, don't tell me fire off. No lah, this one okay, this one okay. Okay, relax. Roll the rig, relax. This one still, I don't think I will take this trade over here. Okay, I will wait for a little bit more. Don't be kanchong, my friends. Yeah, look at SPY. Today's SPY go nowhere. That one is like what? We are almost 30 minutes in. From market open at which candle, huh? This candle. From this candle until now is going nowhere. It's still within the pre-market session zone, I think. Is it pre-market session? Where is pre-market session? Oh, we are on the 5 minutes, huh? Pre-market is here. So pre-market is here. Until here, we are still inside this zone. Not going anywhere on the 5-minute charts. What's the sign I'm waiting for, JPM? Let's see. Okay, partly I do think that JPM likely wouldn't just fire off from here. I think likely it will come up to here. After that, it will have at least one more leg down. That's like a bare minimum for me. Right now, I think it's still a little bit higher risk if you take it, right over here. So I will wait a little bit. Yes, it's alert wave, correct. It's alert wave. Yeah, normally after such a move, I don't think it will, dump and then it just go up like that. Sometimes, sometimes it does, but then I would rather wait for this before it starts to go. Palantir not going anywhere, huh? Raymond. This one is still going up. Not bad. Okay. Palantir got this tendency. They always like to, suddenly give you a red candle, then after it starts to go. A lot of times I see this on Palantir all the time. Yeah, you can just go back, then you look at the history and everything. It always does that. Like non-stop that kind. Yeah, even this area you can already see more or less like two of it. Here is also one, suddenly give you a red candle, then after the next one it starts to go up again. Here also 2 red candle, huge one, something like that. After I draw a little bit more, then it starts to go. So possible Palantir will also do that right now. Yes, the characteristic of Palantir. I see, maybe coming to do that thing. Nvidia short possible, possible for a day trade if you want, For a day trade, I think it's fine. You can do a day trade, and if Nvidia really dump a lot, you can convert it into a swing trade. Amazon also coming down. Meta almost taking us out for break even already. Almost there, I think. Wait, I go back to Meta. Let's see, Meta. 724 now. Oh, I think we get triggered for break even now, Meta. Let me see, Okay, I need to log in again. Oh yes, Meta take out already, break even. So Meta, I'll update for Meta. Okay, done. Whole market dropping a little. Yes, yes. Market is really quite overheated, I would say. That's why be a little bit more careful. Then just wait and see what it does. Oh, Google, I want to see my wife account got get triggered or not. One moment, huh? Okay, call with. We also got the alarm got triggered. Wrong. What happened to call with? Let's see. Dump even lower. Okay, nothing over here for call with. Okay, my wife account also got out already for Google. Now I need to log in my account again. One moment. Huh? Okay, done. The next one that we can watch out for is call with. Then what else? Yeah, BBAI definitely not ready. Marvel not ready. UNH not ready. How about Visa? Visa still at the same area though, still chopping around there. Disney, crowd. How is this RBLX? RBLX looks like something good to short, you know. Do you want to do a day trade for RBLX? But the stop loss is a little bit wide for a day trade. Let's see. Yeah, RBLX I think it looks good, you know, to trade. Yes, random. VIX is very low already. Super low. Let me see. I'm thinking whether I want to short this or not. Yeah, lor, the stop loss a little bit wide. Eh? Hmm. Okay, Shiro, one moment, huh? I'm thinking whether I want to short this. Nvidia coming down. AMD still holding up quite well. How about SPY? QQQ coming down, definitely. Uh, QCOM, okay. Yes, something like a bear flag, correct. BLX. Yeah, I think I will do a small size, try to short this. But then the stop loss is a bit wide because it went off quite a lot. So we need to put maybe 106.7. That would be a safer stop loss. Okay, this one just take as the day trade. I think it's fine. TP, I just put $100. Yes, a little bit, correct, random. I short the stock, okay? Not buy put, huh? Not buying put, huh? XLV. 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 Oh, this one is the healthcare ETF. Is this the healthcare ETF? It looks like the healthcare ETF. Select sector funds. Are you looking to do a long-term investment or something on this XLV? I think this XLV got potential to go up though. I think likely minimally coming to around here. About 143, 144 lah. I think 144 shouldn't be much of an issue. Yeah, but I don't know what is this for, because it looks something for a long-term investment type, because it doesn't look like it moves very, very fast though. Because okay, 2023, the whole of 2024 somewhere here. Let me see how much did it move. October to September, 20 over percent. Yeah, this one looks like a, ETF type of movement. Okay lah, if you want to buy, can go ahead. If you're in the trade, good. You are making money already. Random is... Oh, yes, correct. RBLX. It looks a little bit like that, Not bad. Maybe a little bit like this. But this RBLX, right, I think this day trade, I might convert into a swing trade instead. I really think that we might get a good one, okay? So this one just convert into a swing trade. Yeah, this is what I like to do. I like to take day trade, after that I convert into a swing. Gary, I shorted RBLX. Right now we are all trading against ALVV, all the bad guys over here. Yes, TP already we buy. I think we might get a good one. Really a good one. Something like, I think, Let me see. Let me see. Maybe 4 hours. If you can, see something like that, we get out already. Okay, we get out by then. Okay, ALVV already got 150% ROI on this stock, I think. Okay, crowd is also dropping today. Okay, lucky we bought, some put option yesterday. But our put like not doing very well leh. But okay, we still got time, okay, at least about 10 days or something. Yes, it's the risk management. Risk management is the most important thing in trading already. You can be, you have very, very high win rates and everything, but then if you don't know risk management, that's when you will die so super badly. Just one trade alone, GG 了. AVGO. Guys, you're looking at any instrument or not? I today really cannot find anything. How about CCL? Let's see. CCL. Not ready. Okay. Wait again. Buy with stop order is for stop loss for buy with stop order is for stop loss for shorts, right? Stop wait, huh? You suddenly ask me. I also cannot think of it. Okay, one moment. I need to log into Interactive Broker because I think Interactive Broker and Momo is a little bit different. What happened later? Okay, first time shorting with who I wrote the rig. Okay, for me, right, usually I use the attached stop loss. Then after that, I just set it into stop limit. Then I will set the price already. So that's how I usually do it. I like to use the what the attached like bracket order or something like that. Yes, stop limit. Stop limit, right? If you select the time and force out there, right, you can choose outside RTH also. So you need a stop limit. If you use stop, right, outside of regular trading hours, you won't be able to get triggered. Yes, if you create a new order, is buy stop, correct? Yeah, usually I just use that one, but you need to remember must change to stop limit. Must always change to limit. Don't use the purely just the stop that one, huh? That one you outside of market hours you won't be triggered. Okay, RBLX stop at RBLX. Oh, I place it. Where did I place? Let me see. 106.7 is quite a huge stop loss for a day trade, but then I'm going to convert it into a swing trade. So I'm still okay with that. Okay, then I will also set a alarm for RBLX. I think I will set here about 103.7. Okay, just I think someone asked about circle. Okay, circle. Circle, as of right now, I don't really think that is ready because it IPO'd already, and I don't really like what this current structure is developing. Uh, okay, I don't want to bring down your morale or anything, but then usually this is what I see lah. After IPO, normally you get a three wave. After that, this thing will start to dump all the way like that. You know. Then after that, when it comes over here, it might consolidate for a long, long time. About 6 months to about 3 years. But in between all this consolidation, right, you'll see small like spike up, and spike up, and spike up, like something like that. Then you will continue to consolidate again. So maybe I can draw a little bit better for you. And something like you consolidate, spike, then after it drops all the way down, consolidate again, spike, then drop all the way down. So just be careful of this part for circles. Circle internet group. What stock should I buy now? Uh, just be careful, okay? Be careful today. The market is a little bit slow. Market is also quite overheated. So nothing really to. For me, I don't have any buying position. Most of my positions are those right that I have already bought. I think at least a few days ago. So currently they are all going up. They have an impulse and everything. I can't find anything to buy though. Maybe Amazon you want to consider? Amazon, but I will wait for a little bit. Amazon, I don't see anything as of right now. Okay, one moment. Is this okay? Okay, let me see. Okay, Amazon is somehow like a triangular pattern. So definitely need to wait for a little bit, Amazon. Hello, Mr. William. Long time no see. We were just talking about you, this afternoon. Long time no see. There's random. The market also kind of like refused to pull back, but I don't think we will enjoy, this type of huge move for very long. Okay. Yes, Mr. William is the one that we know. The Malaysia guy. Long time no see. Okay, can see you around, Mr. William. Yesterday someone said about Apple, right? Apple maybe for you to consider. How about FTNT? Random, not bad. Maybe another buying opportunity for you. Mm, Yeah, FTNT, even back then, if I were to take this trade, right, I think by now I have already exited because it's not moving though. Although it broke out of like this trend line, but then it's not moving. So, yeah, likely I think I have already exited for a break even. Then I will continue to wait. Yeah, I will go and hunt for other trades. Yes, random is also quite possible. Yeah, sometimes you don't get that lah. Huh? Then after you see a lot of times I break my own rule and everything. Still got margin or not? Let's see. Oh, MRK is moving already. Anyone interested in Apple? You buy, remember, tell me you. I go short. You short Apple ah? Roderick, you short Apple ah? Oh, you. Okay, can. I look already. This Apple I won't buy 100%. I won't buy. Okay, it doesn't fulfill my rule. This one I better follow my trading plan. Apple can fly up. I also don't want to be inside anymore. This stupid Apple. Apple and me not fated. Okay, every time I take Apple, somewhere will go wrong. 4 times is the charm. I don't need the charm lah. Skip. Okay, go and find some other trade. Okay, what do we have here? Wow, today very slow. Today is like market no strength. Yes, Tan slow market. So super slow. Tan, you looking at anything? HTZ. 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 This one 100% will miss. This one likely you will miss. Even me, I myself, I also miss a lot of trades like that. You know, suddenly just fire off without warning. The moment I come and take a look, the thing gone now. UNH, skip. UNH, just be careful. UNH, where's UNH? UNH, just be careful. I do think that likely you'll come down here, break this low before one more move to where? Where's that level? To around the 0.382 feet, so about 385. Okay, but for now, just be a little bit more careful for UNH. I scan until where? Oh, just now we were looking at something, right? Oh, that's how we went to take a look already. Might place a small entry for coin if it break current high, however, is near weekly resistance. Coin ah? What happened to Meta? Near weekly resistance. Ah, okay, okay. Understood what you mean. Wow, this coin move a lot, man. Yeah, coin for me right now, I also don't have any setup. Don't know whether coin will still come back to this zone or not. If coin can come back, maybe I'll be interested. Qcom. Qcom, I thought I just traded it. Oh yeah, I just traded it not long ago. Qcom currently I will still wait for a little bit. Maybe you can wait for the breakout if you get one. Yeah, Qcom took me out already. I'm no longer in the trade. So if you want, can wait for this breakout. Okay. Tesla. Tesla, I still don't like it, okay? Tesla, although right now is breaking out of a trend line and everything, I'm still waiting for the 250 for Tesla. Okay? So if Tesla can come to 250, I will be quite interested. Then when it goes below 270, maybe I will sell a put option to collect some premium. Then after that, maybe I will also buy Tesla at 250. Can to back your Apple chart. Okay. And go back to the Apple chart. Okay lah, if you all want, you all can take lah. But me and Apple 没缘啦. Every time I take Apple, Apple go the other opposite direction. Oh, our RBLX, not RBXL. Why I always say RBX? RBLX, okay? Yes, you know, when I don't take, but I can tell you guys, this one actually didn't fulfill the rule, If you all listen to the course already, I think this one didn't fulfill the rule. Okay, but sometimes, when it doesn't fulfill the rule, still can go on. I turn off ETH, then same as you guys. Yeah, your Apple is not bad, I think. Let me see. Yeah, that's the power of the community, you know. See, the both of you help to find trades and everything. We can take super duper good trades. William, I never shot Baba. I went to buy Baba after I got stopped out. Me and Baba also 没缘啦. Baba give me very nice profit previously though. Really, really super good that kind. But right now, Baba is garbage to me. William, you remember GIF or not? I think William don't remember already. William only remember the Ling Lui. Don't know. Okay I don't want to play any prank. Later I get banned again for nothing. Heartless. Aiya, William, you should say yes, I remember you. Another Ling Lui, you know. Roll the rig. Okay, can. Um, if I'm not wrong, no, actually it fulfill, it fulfill. I forget to see this part. It actually fulfills. It fulfills the criteria already. At least minimally, I think three of them fulfill. 3 out of 5. Yes, Apple is actually okay. If you have margin or something, can go and take the trade. But I left with one only. Like, I can only buy one. And what can I buy? Let me see here. Hmm. No, I think it's still okay. Roderick is still okay. Not too late. This one you can use another stop loss method. Okay, this one is actually based on wave theory. So you can place roughly about 209. I think 209 is good enough like, if you want. Okay, I think I missed some comments again. Ling Chai. Palantir, good to buy now. Palantir. For me, I'm at break even already though. Here, this level, I don't have a setup to buy. Okay. Yeah, roll the rig. You can next time you also learn another stop loss technique using alert wave. Alert wave also got another stop loss technique. So you choose either one of it, which one is actually better for you. Lulu. Lulu ah. Lulu. Let's see. Wait, Lulu at support 了. Lulu not bad, You see this super good support. So possible one more leg up. I think no more not much of an issue, for one more leg up. Nvidia. Nvidia, I still think a little bit more upside. I'm targeting 180. My target for Nvidia is about 180. 180. I might, book some partial profit again. Then I will have 100% ROI for Nvidia. Yeah, 180 is quite far away though. It's around here, quite far away, but I still think more upside for Nvidia. Hey, Palantir, I answered already. Just now you asked, right? I answered you already. Palantir. Intel. Intel, actually, my target is $40 though, if I'm not wrong. Yes, my target is $40. I think 29, 少少問題啊. Small issue. Okay, guys. I think $40. I also have a long-term investment in Intel. So far, it's the worst performing one for my long-term investment portfolio. But so far, still okay lah, profitable. But then the worst one. Yeah, so my target for Intel is $40. Okay, can. Yeah, until $40, I will monitor, see what it does and everything. If I see there's more momentum coming in, right, I will definitely, uh, book some partial profit and then let it run even more because they changed the new Singaporean CEO. I love the way he do things, okay? The first thing he enters a company, he said this company has been, rubbish for a long time. Reshuffle the whole company. I like it. Usually this type of CEO, they have a lot of power. They will bring the company to another level. Hey, AMD, okay, wait, William, one moment, AMD 1:3 liao, can book some partial profit, we can book maybe 30% off. Actually, yep, so Roderick, this is what I mean. You wait about 1 hour, after market open, then you decided to book some partials. Usually, you get quite a good price. Okay, AMD, we can book some partial profit. I'll book about 30%. 1:3 already. 145.45. 1:3 now. Okay, I myself, I also will book some partial profit. How many? Okay, can. Okay, nice. Thank you, Roderick. Good trade, Easily 1:3. This trade, AMD, if can go, I can tell easily, I think maybe about 1:6, 1:7, around there. Fun or not? Take this type of trade. Yes, it's still a good profit, Roderick, so don't worry about that part. Yeah, you just, because right now, maybe your next one, you can try about 1:5, around 1:5, then you take some partial, then after that, let the rest run. Then you keep shifting your stop loss. Okay, Mr. William, Sophie. Okay, guys, I'm going to, wait, let me see Sophie first. Sophie is strong, Mr. William. Your next resistance is like $23 around there. 23 to about 24. No, Roderick, don't have to book 1:3. If you want, you can let it run a little bit more. Look at SPY. SPY, usually I like to, also look at SPY. If SPY can make a new high, right, likely, I will also take some partial profit. Yes, now you can shift your stop loss to 1:2. Correct. Ayo, Roderick, nice. You understand already. So you are already secure. You see, the moment you shift 1:2, you don't have to worry about anything already. If AMD, suddenly you turn or something, take you out or what, you at least secure 1:2. So we keep repeating this process. I think 200 already bought it. 200 for which stock? Jimmy. Okay, guys. Announcement time, okay? I still have a few limited slots to join the course. If you are interested, right, just drop me a DM. Okay, I will teach you. You learn about alert wave, smart money concepts, and some technical analysis. So I will be doing this like live streaming every single day. And if you like, you can come and join. Yes. Lucky I only get restricted for 2 days, guys. Really, only 2 days. If I get restricted for 1 month, I will cry, man. Really. Okay, crowd, if price comes back to 497.7449, put stop loss at the low of the then wait, huh? Then I put stop loss at the low of the day. If force break 481.5, okay, 497. You are going to short crowd, Tan Tan. Are you going to short or you are going to long? Oh, okay. You are going to long. You are going to long. Okay. Understood. Okay. Oh, you don't short, huh? Okay. Can understood. Too high to chase. Yes, Sophie, too high to chase, lah. Just let it go. Nothing to do over here. Rode the rig, no issues. Yeah, so this is normally what I do. I like to take trades that has a minimum, or 1:3. Don't have 1:3. Usually I will leave it out. How often? If the thing got no chance to, to even come back, then I just forget about it. I just let it expire worthless. Okay, Tan Tan, I understand what you mean. You are looking something like the retest of the trend line, something like that, right? Oh, yeah, 1.5. You also use the EMA 20. Okay, understood. This is not gold, okay? This is stocks, the US stock market. Microsoft. Microsoft, I will wait though. I will wait. Actually, right, the CrowdStrike is not bad. Like what Tan Tan said, I think CrowdStrike is not bad. Something for you to keep a lookout, You can scroll back and look at Tan Tan comment. Maybe something for you to consider. Okay, but just be careful, huh? Just be careful on this part. Okay, I think it likely hit my flip extension level already, so be a little bit more careful. But if you want, I think can try a small size. Advice. Luis, what advice? Did I miss your comment or something? SMCI. SMCI, where is it? SMCI. Yeah, SMCI a bit slow right now though. It looks not bad, but I feel like it's a little bit slow. Yeah, I also don't have a setup here, so I'll just let it go. If I buy SMCI, I think likely this area I have already bought it. You want to enter here, William? Cyberpunk trade stocks, Stocks is a lot better. Really, I love it. I love stocks more than commodities, more than forex. Stocks is more fun, really more fun. It's easier for you to make money. I traded gold a lot, used to, but then it's not an easy, instrument to trade. Yeah, I traded back then. It was long time ago though. It's like I think this period, the 2013, 2014 period, so somewhere around here. It was a long time ago. Yeah, maybe possible also here. It's not easy to trade though. Oh, SMCI, you want to enter at 46 SMCI. SMCI, you want to enter at 46 ah? Why 46? Pre-breakout area, okay. Pre-breakout area. We'll come back so far away. This is like so far away. Like right now, you're also breaking above the top level, okay? This one, you're another pre-breakout level. You're almost breaking the top already. Yes, give because of DAL, right? Usually, sometimes they are in the same industrial, they will tend to get affected a little. Yeah, so the AAL, UAL, DAL, everything is all moving up. William, let's go. Yeah, the next time you know what happened or not. William, if you never enter how much 46, right? You know what SMCI will do? I show you. You see SMCI go up here, then after it will come back to your pre-breakout level. After it starts to go again, then you will tell me I want to buy at the previous pre-breakout level. I'm joking with you, huh? But 46, 46. I don't know whether we'll go there or it's quite far away. If SMCI have strength, right? If this stock really have strength, I think easily can go up to maybe about 58. AMD. Yes. If you are someone who always takes trades at EMA 20, right, a lot of times you won't see much of an opportunity. But then when it presents, usually it's not bad one. Yeah, that's why I taught you guys a lot of different support and resistance. You all also will learn about wave structures, wave theory, and everything. That's how you use everything you combine together. So at different times, you deploy different strategy. A lot of stocks all time high. I scared. Yes, William, I also scared. Give never hit my TP, huh? No, net. Okay, after net, let me go and take some water, okay? I'm dying of thirst already. Net never hit your TP, then come back down. What happened? If you ask me, net, I think I will ask you to short, right? Did I ask you to short? Yes, higher will go higher. Okay, guys, I go and take some water first, okay? I come back shortly, huh? Hey guys, I'm back again. Let's see what we have. Uh, I agree with that. You wanted to TP at the all-time high, huh? Yeah, I think if you ask me that time, I will ask you to short this net. And then our Palantir also, huh? Maybe coming down. How's our RBLX? Like not moving, huh? Because market is going up. If today not moving, then we take it off. Okay, we need RBLX to move very 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 fast. Okay, SPY is going up. It's good for all our trades. How about AMD? Still the same. Apple. So do y'all take Apple or not? Huh? Roderick, uh, Random, Raymond, Coin also to trigger Liao. Coin. Nice, nice. Yeah, Coin for me. Yeah, I will give it a miss, but if you all like, can definitely go and look into it because I like Bitcoin. I do think that Bitcoin can go to 120,000. Shouldn't be much of an issue. Actually, coin not bad. Yep, if you all want, yeah, Tan, you place your stop loss here. Is it you place your stop loss here? Am I right? I think you like to place your stop loss here. Yeah, just triggered 371 371.86. How come your stop loss is smaller this time round? 15 minutes. Do you take on the 15 minutes or something? 317.86. Oh, your stop loss is small, man. Oh, nice, nice. I have no idea how you place the stop loss, but I can say for coin your stop loss is small. You put below the opening price. Okay, okay. Understood, brother. Understood. Hey, I forget to take water. Yeah, I was replying a message. I forget to take water. I need to go and take water, okay? One moment. Okay. Oh, Tan, your stop loss is very good though. I like it. I like it. I think the way you put your stop loss for coin is smaller than mine. I don't think I put such a small, stop loss. I think I will put at 368. Good, my friend. Yes, I understand. Tan, no issues. But then the way you put your stop loss, I like it though. It's really, really small for coin. For me, I don't think I will have such a small stop loss unless I do a day trade. Even for coin right now at this current moment, I don't have a setup for day trade. But when I have, maybe maybe comparable to yours. Got someone shot MSTR meh? Who shot MSTR? Not me, right? Oh, okay. That time I think we shorted. We shorted MSTR a little bit because of the news, but then got out already. I remember. I think we got out already. Yes, it was during this maybe this period of time. It was still a good trade, huh? But right now MSTR is going up already. Usually, you put at the low of the day. Okay, Tan, I understand what you mean. When I do a day trade, I also do that. During a day trade. Coin. Actually, MSTR is not bad if you all really want to take. I think what Tan suggests is not bad. I like it though. So anyone, in for the risk and take a day trade for coin. Yeah, I think 372.86 is fine. Let me see, got margin or not. Close shop already. Today market slow. Yes, I agree. Today market is very, very slow. Like not much of a movement. Let me see, huh? Still got margin or not? Eh? Oh, wrong. Day trade 372.86 MSTR. Hey, what MSTR? Coin. No wonder I was looking. How come my stop loss so large? Okay. 372.86. Yeah, I don't have much margin left. I only can open like 0.3%, but for a day trade, okay lah. I will take this day trade, then yup, this is fine. I'll take this lah. It looks good though. Okay, I'll send inside the group. TP, we can TP higher. Let's put 480. Rosary. Johnson, everyday see wrong. Hey, today guys, forgive me a little lah. Today, I fixed the live stream. I fixed until I going to go crazy, really going to go crazy, I tell you. Lucky until now. So far, so good, huh? 1 hour, 48 minutes, no restriction, okay? No, I fixed for the whole day. Since the whole morning, I think 10 a.m. or something, I fixed all the way until 6 p.m. plus. Then I sit down here. Oh, I almost go crazy, man. Imagine if I keep getting restricted, my live stream getting restricted for how long? For 1 month or something. Well, it's going to be so sad already. Okay, right now picking up a little bit of momentum. Don't restrict me, please. Okay, guys, give me a minute. I need to send some message because there's one guy who wants to join the group. View this. Okay, let me send this to the guy first. Uh, I'm live. I send wrong things to the group again, is it? Why everybody suddenly spam me? Did I do something wrong? Why coin cannot target so high meh? Why I target 480? Is it way too much? Why everybody spam me? 480? Okay, what? This one not ridiculous, right? Okay. Okay. Can. I was shocked though. If I handsome good liao lor, huh? Mr. William famous for thumbs up. Mr. William, you lah, huh? The time you suddenly say got Ling Lui come into live stream, then you go and follow the lady. Now everybody remember you. Okay, guys, relax, okay? Chill, okay? This coin, I know coin, TP very high, but don't spam me, relax. Okay, done. I'm finding my referral code. Oh, okay, random because I haven't set up the the referral code part. That's why you cannot find your own referral code. Okay. Uh, eh, how to log in? Wait. No, I need to go to Podia. Okay, Podia. I show you why you cannot find your referral code. Let me log in first. Well, now I'm very scared to show my own website. I also don't know whether is it correct or not. Okay, I have this affiliate. Okay, and then look at this. Turn your customer into advocates. I will set this up, okay? The moment I set this up, you will have your own referral code already. So don't worry, huh? Yes, Tantan is. I understand it's really a lot of pressure, but I think I enjoy lah. When I want to, teach, I want to guide someone. uh I want to be there, all the time, like helping them and everything. If I can't do that, right, like for my own business and everything, I will not recruit anyone. Yes, yes, maybe because I put day trade, but then I want to convert it into a swing trade. Yes, I do understand the pressure of, being a teacher and everything. But I will do my best. I will do my best. I have quite a lot of time every day. So if you need help as and when, just drop me a WhatsApp text. Plan a few hours in advance. I should be good to go. Can do one-to-one and everything. Yes, photo, Mr. William. I also want to, get into photo. I give up on Baba already. Okay, Baba is not being so good to me. My China stocks, photo make new all-time high. Really? Wow. Is it a new all-time high? No, right? No lah, no lah. No, 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 no. But I always like photo and Baba the best. Yes, I also rode the rig. I also don't know what happened to photo though. It went up a lot. But then Baba, I think PDD is it? PDD, I think is also not doing so well. Baidu is also not doing so well. The worst is Baba. Really the worst. Okay, guys, the market momentum seems like, slowing down a little bit. Ho ho. Congratulations for your RBLX. Okay, we are all going against ALVV. Congratulations, guys. The moment I think it breaks this low, likely I think we can move to break even already. Can talk about Palantir trade again, huh? Sure. Okay, Palantir, right? Why I shift to break even is because why I never shift to break even is because Palantir got this characteristic lah. It likes to give you this huge red color candle maybe for a while, then suddenly it will just U-turn and go again. This is what I always see in Palantir. So for now, we still can't shift to break even. If not enough room for it to breathe. Because if you scroll back, there are a lot of times Palantir do something like that. So this is one of it. If you just look at this part, look at this, suddenly got this kind of like, dump, then after it starts to go again, then dump, then after it starts to go again. But of course, hopefully, we don't see something like that. If we see something like that, GG already. Then same thing for here also. Another one. See, suddenly just dump, then after it starts to go again. It's a little bit like Amazon. Amazon also has this characteristic. Behind the charts, how about? Oh yes, you are talking about this portion, is it? Yeah, if you are talking about this portion, I think Palantir is moving something like that because a lot of times you don't see Palantir move so slow. Usually it's really quite fast, that kind. Then you look at this area also, you see, it's very fast. Then this one also quite fast, then pull back, then also quite fast. Palantir move quite fast. It's not a slow moving stock. So, but for now, I do think that it looks a little bit similar like this part. So it will be a slower climb, down again, slower climb, down again, something like that. Yeah, but this one, sometimes it can look a bit scary lah. And this one looks like, break out a trend line, come back, retest very nicely before it starts to go. But we won't know which one will happen. So I'm okay, I give it a bit of room to breathe first. Then after that, I will decide what to do. How's our Google? Not done yet. Meta leh? Meta also not done yet. Nvidia coming down. AMD, okay, still holding up quite well. Yes, Palantir definitely moved a lot already, really a lot. But because I took Palantir is because, I think there's still a little bit of strength left in the overall market. So I'm okay to buy it. Because for SPY, I have a target roughly about 632. Around 630, 632, I think more or less that's the end of this huge move already. Then this huge move is from the 7th of April low. So we'll be from here all the way up until here. About 630, around there. Then after that, I'll be a little bit more careful from there on. Okay, guys, we have a new student. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will send you some info first. Then after that, you can, slowly do it by yourself. Where is it, huh? I'm so afraid that all my students will be lonely, so I need to find more. Yes, welcome. Congrats. Thank you. Yeah, you're really, when you're more or less finished the course and everything, we can do Q&A though, every single week, 1 week, 2 times, 3 times, no issues. Okay, I can follow your timeline. It will be fun, huh? I see all of you so outspoken. I can all do Q&A together, don't have to be one-to-one. Actually, Q&A is a group session is really not bad. Can learn from one another's mistake because every traders will face different difficulties. Rode the rig. You took the break even already, huh? Yeah, Palantir, if you took the break even, I wouldn't say it's too bad. I would say it's okay. Yeah, because Palantir is the characteristic of Palantir, okay? I don't know how to tell you because I trade Palantir quite a lot. Then it's like my number third, favorite stock. And it always does this. I have no idea why. Then after it starts to fire off. Yes, you will have a lot of remedial lesson. Like I told you, it's unlimited, okay? How much you all want to, come for me remedial lesson, you need help as and when, just let me know. I really got no restriction at all. Okay, I think I missed a lot of comments already. Nike is like damn slow. Nike. Let's see. Nike is going up, is actually not bad. I think this has been quite a long time before you start to see signs of breaking out already for Nike. Nike looks like not bad. Let me see, huh? Now it's a weekly chart, okay. We go back to daily. Okay, Nike is really not bad. Nike, I would definitely like to see more consolidation here. If you do get that right, it will be perfect already. Nike will might be another stock that can move up really a lot. Let me see the weekly. Yes, correct. Okay, so in SMC, right, this is something you call what? The liquidity sweep. Okay, sweep liquidity and then possible for more upside. Yeah, Nike something to keep a lookout, huh? You guys remind me, okay? You all can add into a watch list because this is a stock that I don't normally trade. Uh, if you do see more consolidation, we can start to prepare for Nike. What is the RR? What is the RR time for coin? Is it? I said a ridiculous TP. Is very far. I said at 480, but of course along the way I will take some profit lah, some partial profits and everything. Uh, although MSTR give me a very high profit the last time, but I'm not too sure whether it can go all the way to 480 or not. If can, this RR is fantastic. What is our entry? Let me see. Long position. Okay, we use this. Entry price. Where's the coin trade? Okay. 377.3 around there. Stop loss is at 372.85. And then TP 480. So if really can go to 480, your coin day trade will turn, the RR is 1:23. But along the way we will take some partial profits, definitely will. So maybe even to about, I think 430 is not a ridiculous target though, if Bitcoin can fire off. Yes, random. I can have live class with you guys, with all the students. Only someday I believe if the group were to get larger and something, some of the live will be with the students, some will be with the publics. Yeah, I think even before live stream, I will also, 1 hour or 2 hours before that, we can also have Q&A sessions and everything. Okay, Roderick, you haven't take the break even. Okay, can wait for a little bit. ETYN 100, not sure you are still here or not. Yes, it's a military software company, correct. Yes, at least we're earning some money from RBLX. Just different from ALVV. Yes, correct. It's not bad. If for a day trade, right, if you want to close it right now, it's still a good idea. But normally I will try to, hold a little bit. Okay, let's see. What is this, RBLX. Did I take a very small size or what? Did I key in wrongly again? Where's our entry, 1 our stop loss is about $1.70. Oh, okay. 1:1 as of right now. Okay, maybe RBLX I will, wait for a little bit more. I will take some partial profits, then the rest I convert into a swing trade. Hopefully it will come down a little bit more. Next time ALVV come here, he'll scold you, you trade against him. JPM, can. Let's see JPM. Yes, it looks like it's going up, but this area, it doesn't give me much confidence though. Even if you look over here, right, where is it, You have a FVG, okay? And then you already have what they call it, the market structure shift, because you have already broken this low. So I will definitely wait for a little bit more. Possible, come back into the zone tag, then after it might drop one more leg. Yeah, for me to take JPM, I would like to see, break above the FVG, come back, retest, maybe I will take. Okay, guys, I need to make an announcement. Tomorrow, right? No live streaming. The whole of next week, not too sure yet. I have no idea when I will be coming back because I will be overseas. Then, once I know when I will be coming back, I will update in TikTok, Instagram, and everything, telling you guys so you all can join live stream again. Okay? Wow, don't tell me this meta come and take me out for break even, then after that it starts to go up, We took such a nice entry. Come back all the way down here. Amazon. Yes, for those that are interested, you can join Random for his live stream. I can give you my TikTok account. Okay, don't get it banned or restricted, okay? Well, after today, I learned something new. I really need to create a second account already. Because just now I tried to create another account and it says that I need to live stream for 24 hours before I can even share my own screen. Yeah, I learned a very, very good lesson. I need to create a secondary account. Then after I'll give it to you guys. So in case I really get banned or something, maybe y'all can join the other account for the live stream. Yes, Meta pullback because of SPY, also because of QQQ, QQQ just now also have quite a big pullback, but right now, no strength looks like it's coming in. Tesla, I still don't like it. Tesla, I still don't like it. Nothing for me to do. Nvidia, I still think more upside. AMD, I still think more upside. Amazon something, I kind of like it, I want to take Amazon. Amazon is my second favorite. Then Meta. Huh. Wasted. Really, really wasted, huh? We place where? We only make a little bit of money from Meta. A little bit only. We make like $1. $1. Ayo, come all the way and take us out for break even. Google, Microsoft. But not bad, huh? Not bad. We have quite a number of trades already, and then just go and take a look at them, see how is all of them performing. Okay, MRK also not too bad. Um, Google, Google. Oh, Google, we are out already. How about Visa? Visa. Yeah, Visa is also not too bad. Roderick, when you come into the alert wave lesson, this triangle actually failed. It doesn't fulfill the criteria. Okay, I use MACD to check already. It's not a valid triangle. Although it does looks like one, but then it's not. So when it's not right, MACD doesn't give you a confirmation. Likely, the structure might develop into something more complex. And it might be something that we can't identify at this current moment. Thought of using trailing stop loss. Actually, I have no idea how to use trailing stop loss though. I shift it manually myself. Yeah, because the trailing stop loss, they will, you have a certain function like you want to trail how many percent and everything. Uh, I don't know how to set all those percentage because every stock, right, the daily movement or maybe weekly movement is different. Some of them, can move a lot within one day, but some doesn't. So you need to go and have an average of how much it actually moves every single day. Maybe you can use ATR to help you. Okay, Roderick. This weekend, I confirm finish the alert wave. Wow, really? You're going to watch for very long, because alert wave, most of the lessons are about 20 minutes to about 25 minutes long though. Each of the lessons. And I think you will need to rewatch a few times. Because starting, I think, might be a little bit confusing, but I try to use the most simplest method until something a bit more advanced, then combine everything. Then we will talk about complex corrective structures. Then I will teach you how to do forecasts. Okay, so you know when the market will top, when the market will bottom. Okay, how the wave structures will develop and everything. It will give you, higher probability of taking good trades. And yeah, Roderick, if you face any, difficulties, which part you don't understand and everything, right? Let me know, because then I'll go and listen to the video again and see where can I actually improve it. Okay, Palantir going back up again. How about RBLX? RBLX, oh yeah, just now I didn't see that it broke this low over here. Should have taken off some partial profits and then move it to break even. Then we'll be risk-free already. But right now, based on our entry, actually we can shift to break even. I will shift RBLX to break even first. No, in case later on I didn't see anything, then after it come back and go against us. Let's shift it to... Okay lah, we shift to 104.90. Hey, oh shit, I shift the wrong one. No, no, no. Wrong. Okay, Johnson. Never do mistake, it's not Johnson, huh? Okay, one moment. Die liao. BLX. Let me shift mine also. Okay, I need to do verification first. If not, later on TikTok, gonna give me some issues. BLX. Hey, it's not easy. Doing live stream, then after that, still manage the group. I need to talk. Guys, right? Guys cannot multitask very well. Okay? So relax, guys. Possible to draw the downtrend line here. For RBXL. Oh, you want to draw this? This? If you want to draw this, can definitely. Maybe your bull flag. Do you think price will go down again to 3185? Huh? Double A. What do you mean by 3185? 3185 is which stock? CCI. CCI. Okay, this one also looks like another triangle, Nope, failed. Also looks like another triangle. But this one looks like not bad, huh? Looks like going to break out anytime. Oh, you mean go, huh? Double A. Can. I come back to go shortly. Give me a while. Wrong. Did I see some? Oh, CCL. Oh, sorry. Is CCL breaking out? Oh, it's breaking out. But that's the thing, no confirmation as of right now. You need to wait for a little bit. Okay, this one follow the plan. We have already diverged from the plan for a lot of trades already, huh? some you need to follow, okay? Not everything break the rule. The rule is there for you to follow, not for you to break. Don't follow me too much, okay? Mine is I take based on experience. Yeah, but sometimes because I do this right, I also get burned. A lot of trades I shouldn't have took it, and then by right I should have be more patient. But because I didn't follow my rules, I take consecutive losses. Yes, I can tell you if you follow the rules, your RR is high, okay, and at the same time, your win rate will be high. About 60-70% shouldn't be much of an issue. Like Tan Tan, that guy over here, he also says that his win rate is not high, but then he has very, very good RR. That's how you make money in the market. Okay, RR is the most important thing. Okay, guys, SPY going to make new all-time high already. I'm going to set an alarm. So when it breaks the previous high, uh, just be a little bit more careful. Come on, Arcade. Go up, go up. Don't come down anymore. Roderick, do you take apple? Random, do you take apple? Anyone took apple? Hey, I forget. Double A. His goal chart. I forget about that. Okay, let me go to the goal chart, huh? Okay, just now he said something about, do you think price will go down again to 3185? Okay, let me see, huh? 3185. Actually, I do think so. I even 3185. I think 3185 is quite conservative. Personally for me myself, because I think that gold has went up way too much, really way too much that kind. And this consolidation is about 3 months right now. I think possible, right? You might even see let me go to the 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours I think you might see coming here. Okay. Then after that goes all the way. I think possible you might see one more leg coming to break this low. Yeah, so something like that. Uh yeah, I don't think the consolidation will be end. No, it will end right now. But of course, I also might be wrong. Gold possibly also can just fire off from here. So if you do have a good setup, right, you can take this breakout trade or something. Then after that, as it starts to go up or anything, you can definitely shift your stop loss higher, and see how far it can go. Uh, I don't think even with this view for 4 hours, right? Right now we're on the 4 hours. I don't think it comes here to here, right? I think possibly will take this amount of time. Uh, maybe about 2 weeks around there. I think about 2 weeks. Okay, roll the rig. Don't squeeze too dry, huh? You need to monitor your excess liquidity, huh? Remember, monitor that. Don't let it hit zero, huh? Zero, you'll get forced liquidation, though. Don't ever let it hit zero, huh? Yeah, that way this can be a few scenario that will happen. I used to trade gold a lot, and gold when it goes into consolidation, sometimes it lasts very, very long. So like this period of time, this period, look at here, something like that. This lasted for April until about August. So about 4 months. This one is even longer. If you measure this, I think this is even longer. This is like how many months? 5 months. Yeah, so sometimes it consolidates for a long time before it starts to go again. Even if I go to the weekly chart, let me see. Yeah, I do think so. Maybe it will consolidate a little bit longer for this time round. No worries, double A. Hopefully can help you a little on this part. Wow, roll the rate. I never buy Apple, so you buy. Okay, can. Congratulations, okay? I think Apple will be a good trade, huh? Apple, you know where to TP for Apple? Thoughts on Amazon. I like Amazon, okay? I'm still waiting for this setup, but I don't think this is a valid triangle, huh? Although it does looks like one triangle. It's not a valid triangle. Okay, but then of course, if you use normal technical analysis, this is a triangle. Then, yeah, for currently right now, for Amazon, I'm actually looking for more upside, but I don't know whether when it will be on this Amazon when we will actually come out for the breakout or something like that. This one I'm actually not too sure. I think it should be done pretty soon. Even 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Maybe you can try this. If you get a breakout. But then this one, you need to shift your stop loss quite fast though to break even. If you get the breakout for Amazon here, you see a huge candle coming out. Maybe you can start to trade. Yes, random. Go to bed now. Yes, tomorrow no live stream. Tomorrow afternoon or something I will be leaving already. Good night, random. Rest well. Roll the rig. Yes, same formula. Yes, correct. Then when you finish the alert wave lesson, right, go and set your TP higher. You will know what to do already. Okay, how you going to do it? Roll the rig. You just go to the daily chart. Look at this move. Okay, you know exactly where Apple will go next. Okay. Thank you, random. Thank you. But okay, that's the thing. I have no idea when I will be coming back though. I never book a return flight. Only one-way ticket. Yes, thank you. If someday my daughter, tell me she like this guy, this guy very handsome and everything, I will also tell her I will buy your boyfriend a one-way ticket to God, never coming back anymore. Yes, I remember. I will remember you guys. You all always come to live stream, support me. Hey, I live stream. It's also not easy. Staying here, talking for hours and everything is not easy. But you are sitting there listening to me is also not easy as well. Yeah, it's the same thing. I always ask myself like, do I really go and watch people live stream for 2 hours, 3 hours that kind? Yeah, you all are also putting in the effort. I'm putting in the effort. You are also doing the very same thing. So I really appreciate that. Okay, I can walk around and then maybe can all this call what? What's that called? Send parcel to you or something. No, I can go there, go and walk, see what is good. Yes. Hello, TikTok. Hello, hello. Wait, this RBLX coming back. I don't come back, please. Drop further, can or not? Yeah, wasted lah, wasted lah. Just now we should have already booked some partial profit. I saw it a little bit too late. Any good trades? Any good trades? I bought coin with a very, very small stop loss. Is it in profit now? Oh, yes, it's in profit now. It's in a little bit of profit. Hopefully, coin can go. Then this will be a very high RR trade already. Don't tell your mom. Oh, he's here, huh? Did he come in? No, over here I don't see his name though. Where did he go? Yeah, random. I think you should go to bed already. If not, you'll be very, very tired though. You have been coming here, for days. Uh, every single day you are here for hours, that kind. Or you went to bed already. Oh my god, RBXL coming back, to take us out for break even soon. Really, really close now. Super close. 30 cents more. I'm not a member. Can I join here? What do you mean, can you join here? If you mean on live stream, you cannot. Live stream is for the public. Tantan still here or not? This CrowdStrike bouncing off already. Visa. TikTok, what do you mean though? Nothing here. Affirm. No worries, no worries. Uh, yeah, the live streaming is for public, so there will be mixtures of students, uh, the public, and everyone. Yeah, so no worries. We are here to to learn from one another. Then after that, if you like, of course you can join. If not, can just come to live stream. Okay, CCL. I think CCL don't fulfill our criteria. That's the thing, huh? Yeah, CCL still need to wait for a little bit. It didn't fulfill our criteria. Okay, okay, can. Thank you, thank you, thank you. TikTok, are you in any groups or you have a lot of trading experience already? Because no, a lot of I receive a lot of text from a lot of people though, inquiring about the course and everything. I do realize that a lot that come is either with some experience or quite experienced already. Normally, the not much people text me. They are like a total beginner. I think at least there's some experience. I think I need to sleep soon and move to new team. No more work from home. Damn sian. Ah, okay, okay. I hope, Roderick, you move to a new team. Your salary also increase. No worries, Roderick, Uh, I will see you next week or something. TikTok, you are still learning. Okay. Hopefully, someday I see you in my group. Okay, nice, nice. Roderick, will any chance for you, to go back to your old team? New project 3 years. Okay, no problem, Roderick. In this meantime, just keep doing what you are doing and then find, second source of income, third source of income. Start DCA into VOO if you haven't started that. Okay? Need to find exit strategy. Okay, okay. Guys, if you have a job and everything, it's always good to keep them first. Then after that, use the job, your income, go and do some other things, go and fund yourself, this and that, go and generate second, third source, fourth, fifth, get multiple source of income. That will be the best already. Okay, don't think about quitting first, Yes, yes. Okay lah, Roderick, go, go to bed, rest early. Then after that, we'll meet again next week. So fierce, no. Wow, today I can't find much trade though. What can we do? Okay, no Liao, safe trip, bro. You got any tips from the legend? Teach us, okay? Can, my friend, okay? We'll definitely give you guys all updates. Well, wasted. Just now the RBXL was good. 1:1. We didn't even book some partial profits. Right now it's coming back. My God. Okay lah, Roderick. See you soon. Okay, go and rest early. You need to, have the energy to work tomorrow. But really, thanks for coming. I think you come for like 1 month or 2 months already. Okay, I think likely RBLX will be taken out for break even. Wow, wasted. Let me log into my account. Okay, I got out for break even liao. Update the group. TSM. Okay, for those that are still here, next week, right, try to be a little bit more careful, especially after on or after 15th of July. Okay, likely we might start to see the market pulling back, and the pullback will be quite a large one. Okay, just be careful on that part. Somewhere around 15th of July. Is the market moving? For the mega tech, I think a little bit. Maybe Apple. Apple move a little bit more. Amazon. Amazon also moving a little bit more. Meta not going anywhere. Okay, alarm triggered for Amazon. Okay, comments on Google. Google, I still like it. You know, I got out with break even, but then I'm still looking to enter Google again. Why 15 will pull back? Okay, because I use wave theory, right? So based on wave theory, you also can more or less tell when the market will pull back. And likely, I think by next week, uh, it will go all the way to about 630 or 632. I have a target at 632 for SPY. So if it goes to about 632, likely, the market will hit into a larger correction around there. Should be plus minus around there. And that should be the very, very last wave going up, and that's more or less about it. And just be a little bit more careful because we'll be pulling back for this whole move. Likely this whole move. Oh, Braveheart, you are here. How many percent pullback? That one I can't tell for now, but I do think that the next pullback will be a little bit more sharper. Like, I think you can expect. Yeah, it will be a more sharp pullback rather than flat pullback. Flat pullback is something like this over here, but then I think you experience something a bit more sharper. Braveheart, busy day for you. Ken, also very busy day for me. How are you today? You take any, very, very good trades or not? Uh, now, unless you have a setup, if you take a setup or if you have, something to trade, you can definitely take a smaller size or something. Today, nothing. Okay, okay. Today, today what did I do? Oh, I bought MSTR. No, no, no. I bought coin. Not MSTR. Yeah, I took a day trade with a very small stop loss and hopefully MSTR, coin can fire off. If coin fire off, the R for this trade will be fantastic. This one possibly, if really there's a lot of momentum in coin, possibly this trade easily, I think, uh, maybe 1:7 and above shouldn't be much of an issue. So I took coin. I also took RBLX, but then I got out with break even. Should have taken some partial profits for the short position. Just now was good though. Just now was 1:1 already. Quite wasted. The rest is still fine, I guess. When just now because got one, Tan Tan, there's this guy, his name is called Tan Tan. He recommended to me and I look at it, I like it, and then after that I start to enter. I think I entered where? I entered at 377, so somewhere around in this area. Yep, not bad, not bad. I like it. It's a day trade that I use it to convert into a swing trade. So this one, if really can fire off, the RR is fantastic. Yeah, I always mix up coin and MSTR. Yeah, but of course, the very, very first resistance, I think, is about $400 if I'm not wrong. Let me see. I think it's all-time high already, yes. No, 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 not yet, not yet. Yeah, $400 should be quite a strong resistance. So from there, maybe I will take some partial profits. And then the next target likely should be about 455. Let me see. EMD. Meta. Thoughts on MSTR. Yeah, that's the thing about MSTR. I don't have a valid trade over here though. Although I do think that we might see more upside for MSTR. Mm, coming to about 470 shouldn't be much of an issue. Just that I don't have a valid setup at this area. Yes, today market very, very, very slow. Super slow, like not going anywhere. But at least our minimally SPY is almost, making new all-time high already. And today don't know what are the movers are. Let's go and take a look. Uh Today everything green But then our mega techs are not very green. The best one should be healthcare. Healthcare and Tesla. Tesla today also move up quite a lot, 2.67%. Or AMD is also a lot, 4.17%. Yeah, the strong one today I think is healthcare. Uh, Today market is green. It's not red. Today market is green. It's slow, but then it's still green. SPY is up about 0.22% today. It's green. Today is a green day. It's normal. It's normal. During normal market condition, the market move like that. It's not, very, very volatile like during your last, your like maybe March, April period. Hmm. BYD. Your BYD is the one listed in the US stock exchange, or you're talking about the Hong Kong one? Yeah, because if you're talking about the Hong Kong market, I don't know what's the ticker though. Can you actually? I think it's this 11211. It's the Hong Kong market one, right? 1211. Okay, okay. Yeah, maybe I want to add this into my watch list. At least I know 1211. Uh, oops. Okay, this BYD right definitely currently is a downtrend stock, but I do think that you should be able to see some sort of relief rally coming in here. So like a pullback or something coming in here. And this is the part that I want to see first. If not, right, I would definitely think that there's more downside for this BYD. I think that relief rally is coming pretty soon. Oh, they have a stock split though. Is this a reverse stock split or stock split? Do you know any idea? I clicked wrongly. Oh no. 3 to 1. This one looks like a doesn't look like a reverse stock split. This one looks like stock split more than reverse. Maybe we can check. 1211. What was the date, huh? well lately. So I'll just be a little bit more careful on this part because I'm also quite interested in those Hong Kong stocks and everything. Uh, but yeah, recently is a little bit slow and it keeps taking me out for stop loss like Baba, all that. I tried Baba for a few times, also took me out. Mm, unless you are doing a position trade, position trade, you use a wider stop loss, I think it's fine. Uh, if you are looking for a swing trade, I think to be safe, wait for a little bit more. Yeah, because the rest of the, like those China stocks, they are all pulling back though. Even Neo, LI, how about HSI? HSI is not bad. HSI looks like it's going to go up even more. But TCOM, yeah, I think it's quite mixed though. Recently, a lot of those, China stocks that listed in the US stock exchange, they somehow like doesn't follow what HSI is doing. So even for this, just now was 1211, right? For BYD. Is it one? What's the ticker again? 1211. Yes, 1211. Yeah, even for 1211, it's not following HSI closely. So this stock, I will be a little bit more careful. Do you have any support? No, we already break out of this trend line. How about daily? Yeah, maybe I will wait for 1 or 2 more weeks, then I will come back and revisit this stock. Currently, it is really, really unclear to me. I don't know what's the direction, but likely I do think that you will see some relief rally. That's like the bare minimum. Something maybe like this one over here. Currently I also don't have a support though. The only thing that I like is it broke this low. It broke this low is something that I like. This is called a liquidity sweep. Then you can also consider it as a support. Uh, yeah, if the next level, right, that I can see more clearly is 105.7 around there. Okay. Singtel. Oh, you trade Singapore stocks. Nice. Singtel. Monthly. Wow, this I have no idea what is it doing though, but then it currently looks really, really strong. Uh, okay, the way Singtel is moving right now, we are on the monthly chart. I do think that it will come and break this all-time high here, about $4.50. And then if really, really seriously can break, I think you can look at $5 as your target. Should you exit? Yeah, because I don't trade Singapore stocks. You know why okay, one thing I don't really like about Singapore stocks is normally it consolidate for a long time, that kind. Uh, if you bought a very good price, I think you can start to shift your stop loss, start to shift your stop loss, a little bit higher. Try to secure your profits, lah, huh? If you bought a very good price. Today, yes, today it broke the $4 mark already. Yeah, I think the $4 is not the major resistance over here. Uh, no. This $4 is a major resistance. Yep, you can don't like simply just putting on this line. You know, you have multiple touches around this area, this whole area. Yeah, you are. This $4 is a major resistance. It's breaking there, which is a good sign. Uh, but it all depends on you. What's your goal for taking Singtel trade? Because if you are doing like long term investment, right, maybe you can just shift your stop loss. Because even for my own long term investment, I shift my stop losses. The only one that I don't shift is VOO. For stocks, I definitely will shift. Always touch 4 and go down. Yes, it's quite true. It's true. Correct. Even on the weekly, you put on this like horizontal line. There's like multiple touches over here. This is a very strong resistance. You bought at 230. Yeah, okay, not bad one. Your ROI is like 75%, 80% around there. Yeah, if you want to try even more, maybe you just set a stop loss at $3.90 or something. You can try for a little bit higher. Okay, Sarah, I have no idea what you are writing. Okay, can you write English? English. See translation. Oh, okay. Oh, I can see translation. Oh, okay, Sarah. Thanks for the invite. Okay, thank you. I love it. I will definitely go and take a look. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, TikTok, you have any plans to exit your Singtel or not? Okay. Coin. If test and go down again, I might sell. Okay. So far after trading, because I think you trade both, right? Which one do you prefer? You prefer the US stock or you prefer the Singapore stock market? Because I myself, since the day I started, I have not traded the Singapore market even once. Not even once. Okay, explain the entry for coin. Okay. Uh, SG slower. Okay. Yeah, I also do notice. I just look at the chart. I find that it's a little bit slower. That's why I normally don't. I like fast market, like extremely fast that kind. But not to the extent that scares me. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, I think coin. Wait, let me see whether I can manage position for coin or not. It's a little bit small. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, because tomorrow I won't be around, so if I can, I want to manage all the positions. HK land. What is HK land? HK land. What is HK land? Did I type wrongly or something? I can't find HK land though. RX, can one moment. RX. Once 1769. Yeah, I don't trade this stock. Yeah, but if you're looking for that huge up move, I think this is something that you can look at. Maybe possible coming soon. Yeah, currently right now do look like more upside. But I don't know whether this upside, how far can it go to? But I do think that if we go up to the weekly chart, and if this is a strong company, it's a good company, uh, possibly this super huge move like RBLX like Palantir might be this move already should be coming very very soon. Oh, Hong Kong land. Hong don't have Why I cannot find Hong Kong land? You have the ticker? Yes, now BTC all-time high should. Yes, MSTR should go up. Coin should go up. Mara should go up. Riot also will go up, likely. Let me see Riot. Yep, Riot is also going up. Yep, Riot is also going up. Mara. Yes, Mara also going up. Coin. Yes, coin is also up. MSTR. Yes, also going out a little bit. Yes, Clay, I understand English, definitely. Oh, Hong Kong land. Hong Kong land. H78, okay. Awesome, dude. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Hong Kong land. Is this Hong Kong land one of the like Magnificent Seven in Singapore. This stock definitely looks like it's going already. It broke out. Uh, yep, this stock definitely. I think that has a huge potential of going all the way, huh? Because STI for a very, very long time, right, is stuck in that consolidation for a long, long time. There's no breakout, there's no nothing, just inside a whole zone. And I think after STI broke out, a lot of maybe Singapore stocks might start to follow as well. So if STI is strong, likely coming to break this all-time high shouldn't be much of an issue. Yeah, if you look at STI, I show you STI. Even on the monthly chart, right, you can see the consolidation started all the way in 2007 and it's stuck here for how many years? 18 years. 18 years later, then it starts to fire off. So I do think that, if you invest in Singapore market, especially like if they have those Magnificent Seven, I think that Magnificent Seven might follow STI along. Yeah, so this one might start to fire off. So the H78 right might also follow along. Yes, BTC is crazy right now. I got it last night, then TP and went to sleep. Missed the big up. Okay, no worries, brother. There will be another opportunity for you to get in. Okay, BTC, I'm looking for it to go to about 120,000. Okay, BTC is going. Nice, nice, nice. Fantastic. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm also going to sleep soon, huh? We stream for another 3 more minutes, okay? I'm very tired today. I was fixing my live stream because I got some restriction and something like that. I fixed from the whole morning all the way until the whole evening. Maybe find a little retracement. Yes, possible for Bitcoin. But then the next retracement I don't think will come so soon though. Likely will be next week. Yeah, I think you have to wait until next week, then the retracement will come. Unless, you're looking for this tiny retracement that lasts for maybe 3 hours. Yes, no worries, man. I think Bitcoin, there's a huge potential in them. And with all the Genius Act and everything, right? Likely Bitcoin will go up a lot, really a lot. Yeah, but 120 is like the bare minimum target. If Bitcoin is strong, I think 130,000 shouldn't be much of an issue. Oh, if TikTok you came over the last 2 days, right, to live stream, you will see that my viewers suddenly dropped from about 50. Because at that time it was hovering about 50 at every single minute, but then suddenly it drops all the way down to about 10 only. So I went to do some research. They say that it's something like a shadow ban. They ban me because they say that I'm not using original content. Can be, whatever you shows on screen, your music, your background, your voice and everything, even your camera. So I have no idea which one is it. So but today I tried, going live for every single time I go live, right? For about 5 to 7 minutes, I will get a restriction violation. Yeah, you will send me a code and then tell me that my live stream will no longer be, shown to other people. And whenever I start live and everything, right, nobody will receive the notification. So it was that bad. Then the whole day I just keep writing to TikTok. I try live streaming, removing almost everything. Like I remove all my backgrounds, my music and everything. But it still doesn't work. But just before when we started live stream, right, this session, it suddenly, become okay again. I'm not too sure what happened. So the whole day I was sitting down here fixing it. So I'm also quite drained already. Yeah, clear. No worries. Yes, Clay, you can come back the next time, okay? But tomorrow I'm actually flying off, so the next live stream should be next week. But I'm not sure which day as of right now. Okay. Okay. See you around, Clay. I'm also going to end the live stream now. So if you guys have any last questions, feel free to ask. If not, I'm going to bed already. Okay, guys. We will end the live stream right now, okay? I will see you guys next week. Take care, my friends. Now stay safe. Good night. Have a good rest. See you. Bye bye.